Now we go straight to the next, which is number 21. There's a diagram for that. Let's draw the diagram very quickly. This is a diagram. There's another line here. And there's one line here too. Now this line is parallel to this line. And this is a right angle, while this angle is M. Now the question says, okay, this is also 40 degrees. The question says, find the value of M in the diagram. What's the easiest way to do this? Let me extend this line. If I extend this line and I do this, I think I can make it better. Yes, if I now draw a straight line this way, which will be perpendicular to the one down here. Yes, if I do that, I just want to close the figure properly. Now we can see that this is going to be a right angle, while this will also be a right angle, and this angle will be 180 minus M. So we want to now find M. I think I can draw the diagram, bring the diagram out. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like now. This is a diagram that has, this is a polygon that has M inside it. Okay, now if this is 90, I know that this is going to be 360 minus 90, which is 360 minus 90 is 360 minus 90, that's 270 degrees. I hope that's correct. That's 270. This angle is 180 minus M. This is 90, and this is also 90, while this is 40 degrees. So how do we now find M? We can see that this shape is a pentagon because it has 5 sides, and the sum of angles in a pentagon is 540. Yes, so that simply means, how did you get that? Sum of angles in a pentagon is, sum of angles in any polygon is n minus 2 times 180 degrees. This one is a 5-sided polygon, so the sum of angles inside it is 5 minus 2 times 180, which is 3 times 180 degrees, and that's 540 degrees. So this simply means this angle 180 minus M plus 90 plus 90 plus 40 plus 270 is 540 degrees. 180 minus M plus 90 plus 90 plus 40 plus 270 equals 540. And that simply means 180 plus 90 plus 90 plus 40 plus 270. We can do that once. Let's do that here. 180 plus 90 plus 90 plus 40 plus 270 equals 670. So that simply means 670 minus M equals 540. And that means minus M equals 540 minus 670, which means minus M equals, what's 540 minus 670? That's minus 130. And that simply means M, if you multiply both sides by minus 1, then you get M equals 130 degrees. And the correct option is B. That's it, very, very simply. Now we go straight to the next, which is number 22. Number 22. A line L passing through the point 6 minus 13 is parallel to the line which passes through 7, 4 and minus 3, 9. Find the equation of the line L. Okay, let's find the equation of a line which passes through the points 7, 4, minus 3 and minus 3, 9 first. Let this be the line. this line passes through the point, the 2 points. This line passes through 2 points with coordinates 7, 4 and minus 3, 9. 7, 4 and minus 3, 9. 7, 4 minus 3, 9. Now, and the line L is parallel to this line. Let this be the line L. This is line L, and it is parallel to the first line. Now, find the equation of L. We know that they said the line L passes through the point. Let this be the point through which L passes. L passes through a point with coordinates 6 minus 13. Now, how do we find the equation of a line L? First of all, let me find the gradient of this second line. The gradient of this line. How do we do that? Let's call the gradient of this line M1. M1 will be equal to y2 minus y1, and that's 9 minus 4. This is y2 while this is y1 over x2 minus x1, which is minus 3 minus 7. This is x2 and this is x1. And that equals what? Let me clean that and make it neater. Now that's the same as what? 9 minus 4 is 5 over minus 3 minus 7 is minus 10. And this is simply minus 1 over 2. That's M1. Now we know that if two lines are parallel, let the gradient of line L be M2. If two lines are parallel, their gradients are equal. So that simply means M2 is also equal to minus 1 over 2. M1 equals M2. So if M1 is minus 1 over 2, M2 is therefore also minus 1 over 2. Now, how do we find the equation of the line L? We are going to use the formula for finding the equation of a line which passes through 1 point. And that, how do we do that? The line L passes through the point 6 minus 13. So the equation of the line L is given by y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. That's a formula for finding the equation of a line which passes through 1 point. And here, x1 is 6 and y1 is 13. So let's go. X1 is 6 rather, and y1 is minus 13. That's it. Y1 is minus 13. So now we can find the equation of a line. And we already know what the gradient of the line L is, minus 1 over 2. So that means y minus y1, which is minus 13, is equal to m, which is minus 1 over 2, into brackets x minus x1, which is 6. And that simply means y plus 13 equals minus 1 over 2x plus, now if you do minus 1 over 2 times minus 6, 2 here 1, 2 here 3, and minus 1 times minus 3 is plus 3. Okay, so that's 3. And now what do? We can just make the equation simpler. How do we can clear the fractions. We can clear the fractions by simply multiplying through by 2. So that means 2 times y is 2y plus 2 times 13 is 26 equals 2 times minus x over 2. Minus 1 over 2x is the same as minus x over 2. 2 times minus x over 2 is simply equal to minus x plus 2 times 3 is 6. And what does that mean finally? That simply means 2y plus 26 plus x minus 6 equals 0. And that means 2y plus x plus 26 minus 6 is 20 equals 0. And that's the final answer. So the equation of a line L is 2y plus x plus 20 equals 0. And what's that? Which option is that? Let's see. Okay. Oh, they didn't write it this way. I think they stopped here. the equation of a line L. Okay, they didn't clear the fraction. The options doesn't have, yeah, the options show the equation of a line with a fraction. So let's do that. From here, we can just have y equals minus 1 over 2x plus 3 minus 13. When plus 13 goes to the right hand side, it becomes minus 13. And that means y equals minus 1 over 2x plus 10. And the correct option is B. That's B simply. Y equals minus 1 over 2x. Oh, that's not plus 10, sorry. 3 minus 13. It's funny how one can make very funny mistakes, you know, when you solve simple problems like this. All right, so the correct option is C, and that's y equals minus 1 over 2x minus 10. All right, let's stop there and come back in a moment for the next. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Bye bye.